Good evening, everyone. I'm shooting a linear mode right now on my Hero 4, and I wanted to take this opportunity to tell you guys what I did on my Hero 4. Last summer during my mountain biking, I damaged the Hero 4, the shutter button and the select button on the side. So, sorry. I was watching all the videos on YouTube showing me all the possible causes of the damage, and it showed me some broken films like the gold film for the shutter button, the select button, or a disconnected wire, something like that, from the board to the shutter or the settings button. Open the GoPro, I didn't see anything unusual. No broken films, the gold film, no disconnected wire. Maybe there is, you just can't see it with the naked eye. Could be loose or something like that. So the only thing I did is just to disconnect all the wires, put them all back together, and here you go. Right now it's working. The thing is, I thought I cannot fix this one, so there is this promotion right now for GoPro that you have to trade in your old GoPro for the new Hero7 Black for less than $100. The thing is, my family is going on vacation to Disney Orlando this coming summer. Now I'm on a tight budget because I'm a family of 4, so I don't know, do I still need to go for the Hero7 or I'll just stick with this Hero 4? Oh, and by the way, from that crash from mountain biking, gimbal is kaput, broken, so don't more gimbal for me. And that's the plus for Hero7. Hero7, they were saying it's a gimbal killer, so we'll see. What do you think, guys? Should we go for the Hero7 or we're just gonna stick with the Hero 4? All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.